In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and personalize your Canva documents. If you've ever found yourself juggling multiple design projects on Canva, you know the importance of keeping everything well labeled and easy to find. So let's jump right in and simplify your design life. First up, you'll want to navigate to your Canva document. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to Canva's website. Once you're there, sign in if you haven't already. You'll be greeted with your Canva homepage, and it's here where you'll be able to see all your design projects. If you're looking for a specific project, you can easily navigate through your library using the search bar or by scrolling through your recent designs. If you're working on a new document or already have one open, just make sure you've got the right tab selected. Next, let's talk about renaming your document. It might seem like a straightforward task, but it's an essential step in keeping your projects organized, especially when working with multiple designs. Look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen and you'll notice an area labeled Untitled Design if you haven't already named your document. This label acts as a placeholder for your project's name, and clicking on it gives you the power to customize it. This is your chance to personalize the document with a title that's descriptive and easy to remember. Maybe it's the title of the project you're working on or a name that captures the essence of the design. Whatever helps you identify your work quickly. Type in your desired title, and once you're satisfied, simply click elsewhere on the screen or hit Enter. The document automatically updates with the new name, saving you time and effort in the future. In just these few steps, you've added a layer of organization to your Canva workspace. Having a clearly labeled document is not only practical, but also enhances your workflow efficiency. When you need to revisit a project or share it with collaborators, you can do so effortlessly without getting lost in a sea of generically named files. There you have it, a quick and efficient way to manage your Canva documents and ensure that finding and managing your projects is as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you in organizing your creative space on Canva. Remember to always keep your workspace tidy, and you'll see productivity and creativity soar. Happy designing!